Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video, I am going to tell you about secret but very useful iPhone 15 Pro Max trick. Thus, trick will make your iPhone last longer and your battery percentage will remain at 100% even after heavy usage. So, let's start the video. You have to open settings in your iPhone, then scroll down and go to battery section. Here, tap on Battery Health and Charging. You can see my iPhone has still 100% battery health, even after 6 months of usage. You can also make your iPhone like this. Now you have to tap on Charging Optimization, and now you can see 3 options. One is Optimized Battery Charging, second is 80% limit, and third is None. You have to select second option, which is 80% limit. This setting will make your phone to not charge over 80% and automatically disconnect from charger. I am using this feature from 6 months and still my iPhone battery percentage is 100%. You should also try this and make your iPhone much better than before. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel 99 Reviews and I will see you in the next one.